2, 1.
In April 2024, DARPA confirmed a world first. An AI flew an F-16 in air-to-air maneuvers against a human pilot. Not in a simulator, in the sky. The pitch is simple. If AI can outreact humans, it can save lives. The fear is simpler. At machine speed, who's actually in control? Tonight, we'll cut through the slogans and test the claim that military AI can be safely controlled across policy, engineering, and real battle labs. By the end, you'll have a clear map of what's real, what's hype, and where this arms race is heading.
By the conditions set forth. So help me God. Thank you.
Control isn't one thing. Legally, it means compliance with the laws of war, distinction, proportionality, and precaution. Organizationally, it means command accountability and rules of engagement. Technically, it means verifiable limits, human in the loop, on the loop, or out of the loop, tripwires and abort logic, robust ID of targets, and hard caps on autonomy under uncertainty. The US DoD puts this into policy in Directive 3000.09, updated 2023. It requires rigorous testing, V&V, and senior-level approvals for autonomous weapons, all aimed at minimizing unintended engagements. NATO, meanwhile, has codified principles of responsible use, lawfulness, responsibility, explainability, reliability, governability, and traceability.
Item 135, launcher closure door open.
There is no global treaty banning autonomous weapons. Inside the UN's Convention on Certain Conventional Weapons, states have debated Lethal Autonomous Weapons Systems, LAWS, for years. The ICRC urges a legally binding instrument, prohibit unpredictable systems, and tightly restrict the rest. In 2023, the U.S. proposed a political declaration on responsible military uses of AI and autonomy. By 2024, over 50 states had signed on, but it's non-binding. In 2025, consultations and expert meetings continued. Momentum, but no treaty yet. The EU's landmark AI Act specifically exempts military uses, pushing the debate back to defense ministries and alliances. Autonomy isn't theoretical. It's here in target recognition, electronic warfare, swarms, and counter-swarm defense. NATO exercises test uncrewed surface vessels and drone teaming. US units trained to defeat swarm attacks. The question is scaling. How much authority these systems get during real conflicts, under degraded communications and time pressure. Control also lives, or dies, in geopolitics. Major power tensions and active wars create incentives to push autonomy for speed and scale. Conferences keep meeting, but non-binding pledges are easier than treaties. Meanwhile, rapid AI advances and a fragile chip supply chain raise the stakes. As of 2024 to 2025, UN meetings on LAWS continued without a binding instrument. NATO refined its strategy. The US rallied signatories to a political declaration. The EU AI Act advanced with a military exemption. China has articulated positions in global AI governance forums, but open PLA-specific constraints remain opaque in public sources. So, can we control AI in the military? Yes, if we design for it, test for it, and insist on it with governance that bites. No, if we hand off lethal decisions at machine speed without real constraints, or if geopolitics rewards whoever cuts corners first. The technology is racing forward. The law is negotiating definitions. Control won't emerge by default. It has to be engineered, verified, and enforced every mission, every time. If you found this useful, subscribe to AnotherTechBro. Next up, the command and control stack behind AI swarms, and why some engineers want a global circuit breaker for autonomy in conflict.